Here's how to change the battery in a Subaru remote control for your car, door locks. This is a 2005 model. I don't know if the newer ones have a different design, but there's 2 screws on the back. You pop one out. Pop the other one out. They're just Phillips head screws, so you can use a standard little Phillips screwdriver with them. And then, oh, there's the number. So if you're going shopping for one of these, you want to make sure you have a CR2032 battery. They sell this 4-pack at the 99-cent only store, so these are the cheap ones. Probably be better off to pay too much money like for a Duracell, but I'm just going cheap because it's so easy to change, and they really don't need a whole lot of power to work. This one might even be the original one. So you put the battery in there with the number side up, so it's the side with the numbers on it up and the blank side down. And if you forget, it says plus on the top here, and it says plus on the top there, just so you make sure the plus is on top. Then your screws go back in. And that's it. If you push the button, you see a little light, then it works.
Very nice.